You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the rear of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. To start, remove the back mud guards. This will make access easier to the upper holding screws on the shock absorber. To do this, use a flat screwdriver or a pickle fork. Then pull out the mud guard. Using a jack, lighten the load of the suspension arm so that you don't put unnecessary pressure on the thread of the screws when unscrewing. Then, using a ratchet and a 16-gauge socket, loosen and remove the top mounting screw. Remove the jack. With a socket wrench, a 21mm socket and a 21mm spanner, remove the lower holding screws on the shock absorber. Finish the process off by hand and remove the screw. You can now extract the shock absorber.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take your new shock absorber. You need to pump it several times on the actuator to get the system going. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Loosely screw the upper retaining screw back in place. Use the jack to bring the lower part of the shock absorber closer together so that the fixing screw can be fitted. You can now remove the jack. Screw it in with a ratchet. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Finish screwing in the upper screw. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Put the mud guard back on, taking care to put back in all of the clips. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.